Hi everyone, I'm Narasingu Prasad from Narasingu Prasad.Digital. Today, I'll show you how to prepare an amazing natural health drink. This incredible beverage combines coconut water, pomegranate juice, and palm jaggery. First, take 1 glass of fresh, pure coconut water for the best taste and benefits. Next, add fresh pomegranate seeds into a blender and process them to extract the rich, ruby red juice. Once blended, strain the pomegranate juice to remove pulp, then mix it well with the coconut water. Now, incorporate 1 tablespoon of natural palm jaggery, stirring until it completely dissolves, adding a unique sweetness. For an even more refreshing experience, add a few ice cubes to enjoy this delightful drink perfectly chilled. This is a completely natural energy drink made at home with no artificial chemicals, offering pure, wholesome goodness. Among its main benefits, this drink effectively controls blood pressure and significantly improves overall heart health. It also provides instant energy, as palm jaggery offers natural sugars for a quick and healthy boost. Furthermore, this drink keeps your body hydrated and actively assists in detoxification, cleansing your system naturally. It refreshes your mind and supplies essential glucose to the brain, enhancing mental clarity and focus. Moreover, it naturally boosts your immunity, strengthening your body's defenses against various ailments. For maximum results, the best time to enjoy this drink is early morning on an empty stomach or immediately after your workout. Remember this simple mantra: coconut water for the body, pomegranate for the blood, palm jaggery for the mind. All 3 ingredients combined provide you with health, energy, and a natural glow, promoting overall well-being. Thank you to all.
Hey, wait. Like करो, subscribe करो, click on bell icon for latest videos.